You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Doza Medicine. Yes, Doza Medicine with Invisible. This this apparently. So we see them about forward pan ad seat, big up ad seat. And mention Doza Medicine. I did an interview with them about as well, where I'm gonna leave pin in at the end of this. I think he mentioned Doza Medicine as well in that one. I can't remember. But it's only right if I'm giving one artist the platform by reacting to that artist song. It's only right for me to do everybody's song. So we are gonna do Doza Medicine song now and find out what Doza Medicine say. Cause we say Ira says some things about him pan ad seat. So we are gonna give Doza Medicine. I'll give Doza Medicine a reaction, you know. Alright? So let's jump in the one and see what the G say. Invisible. Look on the cover art first of all. Wait, look on the cover art. So we say Doza Medicine, right? Yeah, so cover art could have been better, but it's alright still. It's alright. It's not all there, but it's alright. We say invisible silhouette, big word, silhouette, blood clot. And we see invisible right here. Okay. Alright. So let's go ahead and hear what the G said, man. Let's go, man.
You see that devil brat? He was never a clever brat. Just a little chatterbox and cherry paradox. I know my issue, I your problem, deal with that, no dog. Will you call me name, I saw you want to hurt me, dog. Say me bad mind, you for really want me, dog. Or you know me, we kill you off and kill you at me yard. Them begs.
Everybody call man name, the man say, yo, we kill you off and kill you at yard, brother. You see it?
You see that devil brat? He was never a clever brat. Just a little chatterbox and cherry paradox. I know my issue, I your problem, deal with that, no dog. Will you call me name, I saw you want to hurt me, dog. Say me bad mind, you for really want me, dog. Or you know me, we kill you off and kill you at me yard. Them begs, because me nah look on them. No, me nah look on them. Money me there, so me I look on when. While some chase clout and I look on trade.
The man say, them vex. Him say, never brat vex because him not look on never brat. Him say, money him a chase, while never to chase clout. That's why him say, not me. And I me say so. Listen again.
Because me nah look on them. No, me nah look on them. Money me there, so me I look on when. While some chase clout and I look on trade. Me nah look on them. No, me nah look on them. If them fire later bullet, me go put on them. Make put all of this vomit and puke on them.
You know, pathologists are going to vomit and puke on them.
If them fire later bullet, me go put on them. Make put all of this vomit and puke on them. Don't call me name, up in no foolishness. Me go on me yard when the school dismissed. From day one, my rules is this. Keep it real as a original and it proves is it. Me no fear no man, no care who it is. Any boy try to take me life, loses his. To me, you know what amuses is. To see the foolish dog bark at the flying bird. Love me saying it. You see that?
So I must say that is a foolish dog and back of a flying bird, which is cartel.
Just a little chatterbox and cherry paradox. I know my issue, I your problem, deal with that, no dog. Will you call me name, I saw you want to hurt me, dog. Say me bad mind, you for really want me, dog. Or you know me, we kill you off and kill you at me yard.
Alright.
Begs, because me nah look on them. No, me nah look on them. Money me there, so me I look on when. While some chase clout and I look on trade. Me nah look on them. No, me nah look on them. If them fire later bullet, me go put on them. Me put all of this vomit and puke on them. Up in no foolishness. Me go on me yard when the school dismissed. From day one.
Don't call me name in your foolishness and your fuck. Whatever you can't tell have, don't call me name. Me no mix up a night. When school over, me go on me yard. When school dismissed, I'm me yard with them. Me no business with who I go on the road. That's why I must say right, so not me.
Up in no foolishness. Me go on me yard when the school dismissed. From day one, my rules is this. Keep it real as a original and it proves is it. Me no.
What was that?
From day one, my rules is this. Keep it real as an original and it.
Oh, Ginger, in sample Ginger is out. Never lost my way. You know, hear that a while ago? Listen.
The school dismissed from day one. My rules is this. Keep it real as an original and it proves is it. Me no fear fear no man, no care who it is. Any boy try to take me life, loses his.
Me no fear no man, no care who it is. Any man try take me life, loses his. Yes, I'm gonna make some bold statement here, so.
See it, me no fear no man, no care who it is. Any boy try to take me life, loses his. To me, you know what amuses is to see the foolish dog bark at the flying bird. Dog, me saying this without no line words. The way the system fuck up, it stress my nerves. That's why me say get rich, also selling and buying herbs. It better than up on the internet like desperate crying nerves. Bird. Dog, me saying this without no line words. The way the system fuck up, it stress my nerves. That's why me say get rich, also selling and buying herbs. It better than up on the internet like desperate crying nerds. Make moves and get new ideas. I roast, me no got no time for those higglers. Them say for chase clout is the new trend I heard. Me say, oh my word, attention them I look. Me nah look on them, no. Me nah look on them. Money me there, so me a look on when. While some a chase clout and I look on trade. Me nah look on them, no. Me nah look on them. If them fire later bullet, me go put on them. Me put all of this vomit and poop on them. You say me a this and me a that. What are you? Whatever them say you are, is that are you? So
you're the man English. Yo, you say me a this or me a this. You say me a this or me a that. What are you? Is that what? Wait, listen again.
If them fire later,
listen about that.
Make put all of this vomit and poop on them. You say me a this and me a that. What are you? Whatever them say you are, is that are you? So
you say me a this and me a that. What are you? What?
You say me a this and me a that.
Yeah.
What are you? Whatever them say you are, is that are you?
Is that are you? Is that are you? Whatever them say you is that are you? I want to teach English with G. Yeah.
If them fire later bullet, me go put on them. Make put all of this vomit and poop on them. You say me a this
and me a that. What are you?
Whatever them say you are, is that are you? So I would never waste a breath and argue. Picture me warring a drowning and a catching at a straw.
I wouldn't even waste my breath hug you. I'm gonna put it. Yeah.
So I would never waste a breath and argue. Picture me warring a drowning and a catching at a straw. To me life that wouldn't have no value. And last time when me check up in my view, me hear them say some disgusting thing have you. Some things that I knew. And have the heart to say me bad mind you. Give me one good reason why would I do. It seems like me need to remind you. Say me and me who not done follow behind who I'm a.
You must say, yo, listen to me, bro. Them say some dangerous things about you will bring down you and bring down your career. So what you tell me, say me bad mind for. What my bad mind? Eh? Furthermore, me I'm my owner Dan. I am my owner boss. Me own me a follow. Me not follow no man. That's how the GS say. Because remember say, they said Doza Medicine is a follower. He's confused. He's a follower. That is what he was saying and I'd see it.
It seems like me need to remind you. So me and me who not done follow behind who I'm a always make moves and get new ideas. I roast, me not got no time for those higglers. Them say for chase clout is the new trend I heard. Me say, oh my word, attention them I look.
Me nah look on them, no.
Me nah look on them. Money me there, so me a look round when while some a chase clout.
About to catch your fuck. Yeah. Me nah look on them, no.
Me nah look on them. If them fire later bullet, me go put on them. Make put all of this vomit and poop on them.
Yeah, man say yo invisible. Yes, the man say yo. No to him, he's invisible. He not look on him. Can't sue no. Yes sir. Kaikum. Come. Kaikum music, big up. Let me know what you guys think about this one though. Like I said, the G have all right for forward out come defend himself. Just like how Deborah did come out and defend himself when Cartel did style him for an interview. Him have all right for forward to come defend himself too. So you wouldn't be a man if you not come out and defend yourself and make people chat shit about you. You see me? So the boss only defend himself. So those are medicine. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. But who teach you English, bro? Is that how you? Who teach you English? Hire the one teacher English? Akila teacher. Big up yourself, bro. This song nice. We not look on them. No. Let me know what you guys think about this song in the comment section, though. I'll be down there listening. I'll be down there reading. I'll be down there watching and commenting. All right? So big up on yourself, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.